Hey, it's Gina from WTI, and I'm trying to figure out why it took me so long to get soaker hoses for my garden.
I got the 75-foot heavy duty soaker hose from Rocky Mountain Goods, and I am so pleased with it. We've been able to leave home for several days at a time, and I don't have to bother a friend or a neighbor to come and water my garden so that it doesn't die. I have it on a timer, and it just comes on every morning, and it's been the perfect amount of water. It saturates well into the ground, and my plants have just been thriving. Now, I've been using this hose for well over a month, and I've had no issues with it leaking, getting holes, anything other than what it's supposed to be doing, which is soaking your garden with water on a consistent basis, and it has been doing wonderful. I love that using this hose not only saves me time, but it gives me peace of mind knowing that I'm saving water and I don't have to worry about my plants drying out or dying because I forgot to water them. So I did have to wind them through my garden around some corners and different areas. And I did discover that you want to make sure there's definitely no kinks in it, otherwise it cuts off the water supply. So just make sure you have soft corners and then that will work just fine. So if you're looking for a really simple solution for watering your garden, then I would recommend checking out these soaker hoses, and that's my point of view.